Before we start retopologizing, there are some settings that can make our job easier. First of all, turn on snapping, set to face, and check project individual elements. In front view, add a plane and rotate it 90 degrees on the x-axis. In edit mode, scale it down and move it to where you want to start retopologizing. To make sure the retopo geometry is visible, check in front. Turn on back face culling so the geometry isn't visible from the other side of the mesh. While you're in the viewport shading menu, turn on matcap and random colors. This makes it easier to see what you're doing. Add a mirror modifier and check clipping so it will merge automatically in the middle. Make sure the origin of the retopo mesh is at the world origin so the mirror works correctly. Finally, turn on auto merge so vertices will merge automatically when close enough.